If you've ever been in a Dungeons & Dragons game that suddenly fell apart, you may be wondering where it all went wrong. In today's video, we are going to give you 3 mistakes DMs make that ruin their games. The first big mistake some DMs make is taking control of the story and characters. Now, it's okay to guide your characters through the story. That's what you're there for. But if the party wants to follow a different path, one that might even interfere with your plans in the story, you should allow them to do that. Don't push your characters down the path you want them to, and definitely don't dictate the actions of the PCs. Remember, it's a collaborative storytelling process. The second mistake is ignoring player feedback. Allow your players room to give you input. Don't shut them down for wanting to talk to you about how they think the game could be made better, or about something they're really excited to try. You never know what great ideas they might have, or on the contrary, if there are any homebrew rules they simply aren't feeling at the table. Listening to their feedback will only help you grow as a DM and will help gameplay feel that much smoother and more cohesive. The last mistake we commonly see is DMs with a DM versus player mentality. As a DM, your job is to create a fun but challenging game for your players to enjoy. However, many DMs go a step too far and create games that feel more like tasks rather than puzzles or obstacles. If you go into every battle putting all your effort into killing off all your player characters, you won't have a party for much longer. You should set up challenges for the party, but remember to also root for your players. They are kind of the heroes of the story after all. Even though they may not in the end, your party wants to win, and you should too. Now, with that said, if your party wants a high-stake games to the death, throw them everything you've got. We hope this video helps all you new DMs out there stay off that nasty blacklist, and for you players, hopefully this gives you something to look out for when starting a new game. Tell us down below your worst DM stories. We always enjoy reading them. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your Displacer Beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.